This is Metro having hammock difficulties at the moment here at Sawnee Mountain Preserve. Looks like he's hanging in there just fine. Having a grand old time, ladies and gentlemen.
Hey guys, it's Metro, and today we are at the top of Sawnee Mountain out the Indian Seats Trail. I just had an experience with my hammock, as you can see behind me. Lots of great views, but maybe don't bring the hammock. Let's keep moving. So before we get started, I want to give a big shout out to the 700 subscribers and the 125,000 views. Thank you to everyone that has been tuning into my channel. And if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and send me your comments, as I love to hear from new viewers. So it's been a minute since I've been at Sawnee Mountain. It's probably almost a year now. But as you can see, the leaves are all back out on the trees. And you've got barely any visibility, unlike in the winter months. So as we move into the warmer months, obviously we're moving into the green tunnel days. So as we get back on the Appalachian Trail, I anticipate nothing but greenery. Let's keep moving. There you go, buddy. So I just split the hammock right in the center of the hammock itself while I was swinging on the top of Sawnee Mountain here at the Indian Seats Trail. That was hilarious. I've never had so much fun in my life, but it looks like a new hammock is definitely on the horizon. Let's keep moving. Hey buddy, you hungry? Do they feed you a lot of food? I bet they feed you a lot. Is that why you're so comfortable? Come here, buddy. Coming up here, I think we got a second gold mine. Abandoned, of course. I don't think there's any gold in there, but buggy, snaky, gold mine. All right, so it's Metro, and we're still at the Sawnee Mountain Preserve area. We moved across the street, or should I say down the road, to the Mountain Loop Trail. Now, I don't know if it's gonna have any views. Never been here before, but there's a 5-mile loop. So we've done 4 over on Indian Seats. With 5, we're looking at 9 miles for the day. let's keep moving. So we're going half a mile or so. Nice little incline straight up. If you look at this terrain, a lot of rocks, a lot of roots. Ah, watch your step. That's a nice little stone bruise coming in. Anyway, again, nice little area to check out. So it's been since March 13th, and today is May 2nd, since I've stepped foot on any trail. Walking around the neighborhoods, trying to keep my legs in shape for future hikes. But man, I tell you, this is a nice little hike to get your blood pumping. Indian Seats Trail, I should say, is a little bit more casual than this. So if you're out here at Sawnee Mountain checking out Indian Seats, you should definitely check out the Mountain Loop Trail. Again, it's a nice way to add on some extra mileage to the 4 you'll do over at Indian Seats. So let's keep moving. So I want to give a shout out to Nick and Rachel over at Snooch TV. We met virtually on YouTube, and again, I want to give you a shout out. Thank you for mentioning my channel on your last video. Appreciate that. Let's keep moving. So I guess it's called the Mountainside Trail, something like that, right? Mountain Loop Trail.
Yeah.
As you can see, we've been going straight up for most of this hike. So it's gonna put a little hurt on you, especially after you've done a few miles. I guess I shouldn't say everyone, but look at this. This goes on and on. Okay, so we're at 1.45 miles, and there is nobody up here, mainly because of that incline. 1.5 miles straight up. And supposedly there's no views on this trail, so I think I've been to this point before. I think I drove up and was able to access something close to this area. This is the first time for me. Oh, there it is. There's the road. Okay, this kind of looks familiar. So we took a small detour up this hill. Got a little bit of a view up there. It looks like the park goes through some residential areas, so we decided to turn back. Again, it's very nice up here on top of Sawnee Mountain. Lots of options to check out. Let's keep moving. A little bit of a view out here. It looks like we're at a 5.2 miles coming into the trailhead. Probably added on a little bit more mileage when we went up to the cell towers. But anyway, this has been a challenging hike, as again the terrain is a little rocky, hard on the feet at times. Lots of inclines and declines. Definitely gives you a workout if that's what you're looking for. Not a lot of views, but again, it's a nice option, especially as we're waiting for most of the trails to open up. Great place to go here at Sawnee Mountain. So if you found any value in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and send me your comments as I do respond. As always, thanks for watching, but until next time, let's keep moving.